Hell's music on the beat.
What's the word? What's the word? You already know the vibes, you heard? We the fuck outside, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Y'all hear them? We the fuck outside, you heard? Pulling up, pulling up, pulling up. Y'all see them pulling up, yes sir, Brody. Let's go. Have a little bit of fun. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. You already know the fucking vibes. We outside, you heard. Y'all already know who the fuck is here with me, you
Black
heard.
Ink, man.
Yes sir.
Man. Shout out to Pretty Tough Vibes, Black Ink Global, Black Ink Racing. We got a whole lot of shit coming
Listen,
out.
y'all already know the fucking vibes. What y'all gonna see tonight, this his meat.
Yes,
it's
sir.
all him, you heard.
Yes,
so
sir.
if you know, you fucking know, bro.
You know, you know.
Listen, hit him up.
You know.
Hit him up.
We
Black
outside,
Ink.
though.
Every day, all day, you heard.
Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Sheesh, boys. This thing is crazy. We got the red baby. We got the blue baby. Listen, the lineup is gonna be nice today. Rim jump crazy. Sheesh. Yo. This thing go hard, Brody. Stop playing. Oh, stop playing, bro. This thing go hard. Ew, but hold on. Check out the purple eyes. Ew, that don't go hard, Brody. Sheesh. Wait from this thing for a second, but bro. Ew, bro, the details on this thing. Bro, this thing go hard. I ain't gonna lie. Damn. This thing go hard.
Listen, y'all already know the vibe, you heard. We the fuck outside. You already know it.
How somebody just leave 12 right over here? Like, bro, if y'all come into the spot and you see 12 behind you, don't pull up, bro. Like, come on, man. You making the spot hot, Brody. You know who you are, bro. Come on, man. You don't leave 12 to the spot, bro. That's a no-go. Now this is a waste. Next spot. Pulling up. Yeah. Let's go. Hey. Let's go, E. This shit, loud this shit, bro. Hey. Let's go, Brody. Y'all see how far he is from me? His shit loud. His shit loud as shit. Let's get active, boys. Let's get That man go crazy. What's up with you, bro? Chilling? Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Let's see what the Beamer doing. You going around the pole? What you doing? He gonna try to pull up on you. Go, 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 nigga, go, nigga. Block that nigga. Block that nigga.
Shout out to Pretty Tough Vibes, Black Ink Global, Black Ink Racing. We got a whole lot of shit coming up.
Listen, y'all already know the vibe, you heard. We the fuck outside.
We the fuck out of here, you heard? Hey yo, that man shit crazy.
Y'all already know the fucking vibes.
Listen, bro, I'm all about the action, you heard?
If you don't know already, subscribe to me.
Listen, all about the action, you heard?
that fucking channel, you heard?
Listen, get him to
talking about,
1,000. 1K subs. Get my man to 1K subs, you heard? Listen.
Tough vibes. Subscribe to our fucking channel, y'all.
Appreciate you, boss.
Girl,
Listen,
yo.
y'all already know. Subscribe to Godzilla. Y'all already, this is like the 4th, 5th, 6th time. Y'all gonna keep seeing this man. Listen, you gonna see this man on my channel
We gonna collab forever, yo.
all the
This
time.
shit don't stop. This wild guy.
Get him to 1K, bro. 1K, let's go.
Same here. Let's go. Get her to
bro.
1K, yo. We need
Listen.
it.
Holy shit. Boys is outside. I almost got smacked, bro. You missed it. Yo, I need that. I almost got smacked, bro. Listen, ask my man. He was close as shit to me, bro. I will get in the pit, but my man don't know what he doing. I'm sorry, Brody. Listen, yo, it was. Almost lost my life, bro. Almost lost my life. That shit was gonna be crazy. I'ma get y'all with the other Come on. Get me with the middle.
First gear, buddy.
Hey yo, this man, wow.